Most AI leaders lack confidence in governing AI at scale, and it's easy to see why. As AI scales, unreliable behavior, compliance risks, and uncontrolled spend begin to emerge. Introducing the Kore.ai Agent Management Platform, a unified command center where you can govern, monitor, and manage AI across your enterprise. Define governance policies once, then enforce them across every AI system. Get real-time alerts when AI agents or models drift off course, so you can resolve issues before they escalate. Track AI performance and spend in real time. Continuously optimize speed, accuracy, and cost. And most importantly, measure the real impact of your AI initiatives so you can focus on the ones driving greater enterprise value. Bring clarity and control to AI and scale with confidence.